So, communication and language. Bird and mammal communicate study influence child language research because child and other animal are same. Child cannot express things in word. So we can understand the child behavior with the understanding the bird and mammals, how they are communicating. Chimpanzee language analogue to study contribute to disabled individual, like how chimpanzee behaving and how what is their language to communicate with each other, that will understand in human which are unable to speak, unable to hear something, and some are in mental retardedness, so we can able to understand their language and they can easily communicate with us. So make their life easy by learning the chimpanzee's language. Sensory and technological applications. Animal sensory system research expanded human sensory technology. Means how the sensory system is now system, or then animal sensory system is can be applied to the human, as I already explained. Pheromone study is helpful in perfume industry. And reproductive research, how that pheromone is can use as perfume and how that perfume will or pheromone will affect the reproduction of any animal or human. Okay, then animal behavior and science education. Increased focus on molecular biology has reduced emphasis on wildlife behavior. So in human, most of study is going to conduct on molecular biology, and this is showing that people have more focus on molecular biology rather than wildlife behavior, or wildlife attention get reduced because of this. But students often, and because of this type of attitude, often students lack familiarity with common species. Even they are commonly present in around us, but we are unaware about that particular animal. And we, if they are looking ugly or they are behaving some kind of behavior, so that particular human society become afraid of that animal and make them to discard from the surrounding. So that is harmful for the environment. So animal behavior will help to understand that particular environment, that particular animal or common species which are also have right to live with human or live in the environment. So great inclusion of wildlife biology, conservation, animal behavior and animal husbandry is need, and welfare study is for us and essential for is this is essential for school and university curriculum, so we can be aware and not feel like we are different, we are living in different world and separate from other animals. Now anthropomorphism. Anthropomorphism refer to attributing human emotion attention to animal. How human emotion is sensed by other animal, like some see some videos like some dog are reacting to particular kind of human behavior. When some child crying, some human is pranking on that, but that animal understanding the emotion of that human. For example, instead of saying so and my dog is happy, we are applying our emotion to that dog for dog, but that is not a correct word for describing the emotion same as the human. We can instead use appeasement signals. Today my dog is seen appeased. Appeasement signal are shown by the dog. Okay. Scientist writing requires objective behavioral description rather than human emotional interpretation. So for the scientific writing, we have to be objective and not the emotional. Objective means a scientific temperament should be there. Do not write what we feel, how we feel. Write a like, do not have negative and positive point, just be neutral. And emotion never make any human a neutral position. For classical to modern applied ethology. Classical ethology is focused on natural behavior and evolution. But integration with the psychology, this behavior ecology and experimental psychology, blending of these two, ecology and psychology, which is done with the experiment. Then sociobiology, introducing evolutionary explanation on the social behavior. Then applied ethology is focused on animal husbandry, veterinary medicine, welfare science, livestock production system, and it has improved health and welfare standard of human being. Agriculture efficiency and conservational strategies. These are the what? Significance of the ethology. So this is all about the introductory part of the animal behavior. Now in next class we see what we learn. Okay, bye bye, take care.